In this video, I'll show you how you can fix can't install Roblox. Now the first thing I suggest you do is you come down here and you search for run, type in %local app data % and press OK. In here you should have a Roblox folder. Open it and go to versions. Now I only have one folder in here, but if you have more, that's fine as well. You want to find the folder where these two are, installer and launcher. So if you have multiple, just open the one and check for these. Now once you find the folder with these, you want to right click on them, properties, compatibility, and activate administrator, apply and OK, and do that on both of them. Try first and launch this one and see if it works. Then if it doesn't, try and launch this one and see if that works. Now if none of those work, what you can do is you can come down here and search for apps and features, search for Roblox, uninstall both of these if you have them. If you have more, uninstall those as well, and then come back into local Roblox folder and delete this one. Don't worry, it's going to regenerate when we install Roblox and open it, so just delete this one. After you've done that, I suggest you restart your PC and then go to the Roblox website and select a game and press play. Then it's going to ask you to install Roblox again, and you can do that. Or you can simply Google Roblox install and download it from there. Now if that still doesn't work, the last option I suggest you do is you open up the Microsoft Store, just search for it down here, and then search for Roblox and try and install it through the Microsoft Store instead of from the website. So try and install it from here and try and launch it from there and see if that works. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.